Hello guys, as you all may know, we have launched corporate bonds on our platform. And with overwhelming responses, investors have considered it an attractive option for a well-diversified portfolio, especially in these volatile times in equity markets. So, we thought of sharing our knowledge of the bond markets. A bond is nothing but a loan extended to a company. For example, a company needs INR 100 crore to launch a new project or grow an existing business. Instead of going to a bank, the company can raise money directly from established financial institutions and retail investors. The company would divide this INR 100 crore it needs into 10 lakh units, each unit being worth INR 1000. Hence, institutions and retail investors could loan the company directly by buying this instrument called corporate bonds. In return, the company guarantees to repay the amount along with the added interest. Each of the corporate bonds also undergoes a thorough due diligence process carried out by the reputed agencies like CRISIL, ICRA or Fitch, conducting a detailed analysis of the borrower's ability to honor the bond by analyzing its financial statements, liquidity positions, management experience and quality of the collateral. After this, the agencies issue an investment rating ranging from AAA to D. As you can see, on top of the table are investment grade securities, implying a very low risk of default. GRIP is giving you access to curated corporate bonds at just Rs 10,000. Here are some of the features of the bonds you can invest in via GRIP. Secured corporate bonds backed by collateral. Rated A or above by reputed agencies like CRISIL or ICRA. Offering you 8 to 11% yield to maturity. Listed on NSE, BSE and held in your Demat account for exit. GRIP performs detailed due diligence and gauges the creditworthiness of the companies listed on its platform. So you get a high quality bonds that are worth investing. Also, visit gripinvest.in where now you will be able to invest in high quality bonds.